Hello, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong and healthy nails, while simultaneously learning how to DIY some cute nail art designs. So it's been a week in between now and when I did my last style on my fingernails. There's still some polish left and some of the stickers are still on there as well. Now, I can't lie, I did peel some of them off, but some of them, I don't really know how they came off. The world may never know. For today, I got a new nail polish remover. You may recognize it if you saw the video where I mentioned using oil-based polish removers. So it's called Ella Mila. It's a soy polish remover. And I decided to go with the pink bottle, which is lavender scented. I also saw that they have a nail hardener foundation, which can be used either as a base coat or as a nail treatment. So I thought I'd go with bare nails today so that I can use it as a treatment for this week. I'm gonna start off with cleaning off the old polish. So obviously this polish remover isn't fragrance free. As I had said before, I got the lavender scented bottle. So I actually really dislike the smell of lavender, but I mean, yeah, once I saw it was a cute mini pink bottle staring at me, my judgment went out the window. Plus the lavender scent isn't even as strong as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe it's the other essential oils in it. I don't know. The only other bottle I saw was the greenish unscented polish remover, which also says it's vitamin enriched, but this one says vitamin enriched with essential oil. And I can't say no to essential oils, now can I? So like I said in the previous video, I definitely prefer these oil-based polish removers over the acetone or non-acetone removers like I had before. And I'm really glad I decided to try this one out. Now, I haven't done a deep dive into all of the ingredients and what they do, but I feel like I took a step, even if small, in the right direction. I want nice nails, yes, but I don't want my body to be put in harm's way just to have them. I'm gonna clip and file my nails now. It's not like they've gotten super long or anything, but I really want to experiment on styles with short nails, so I'm gonna keep them low. Now for the nail hardener. This isn't the first time I've used one. I believe I used to get the Sally Hansen one, like when I was in high school. And I would use that when I was tired of my nails breaking. Now, did it work? I don't actually know. Even so, I don't necessarily think this nail hardener is gonna solve all my problems of breaking / chipping and the peeling of my nails. What I really want is just a sturdy foundation that's really gonna treat my nails right under the polish. And I think what I really have to be better at is moisturizing and oiling my cuticles. I'm running out of cuticle oil as it is, so I'll be on the lookout for a new one. Once I'm more consistent with moisturizing my hands and nails, I think I'll see the biggest difference in my nail health after doing that. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching as I try out these new products. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back next week.